Was it you who threw the makeup in my face? Was it you who got bullied in the storage room? Was it you who dressed in the cat mask at the party? Was it you who hid in the shower with me?
No, I'm not her.
Yes, you are. You are her. Nikki. May I?
You didn't recognize me?
Her body's a 10 out of 10.
Herbert!
Oh, shit! You scratched me. Guess this kitten's got claws.
Serves you right!
You embarrassed?
Thank God for the mask. Nobody will know it's me.
You're welcome. You know, the least you could do for me is give me that dance. So, I don't think I've seen you here before. Tell me who you are, Kitten.
Just a normal girl you'd never notice under daylight.
You know, most girls are boring. I like girls with claws. Like yours.
Maybe normal girls have claws at night, too.
Don't make me laugh. Claws? There's like them, but they have personalities.
I don't think you get to define them.
So why are you so eager to defend them? Those girls got nothing on you.
Maybe you're not seeing the whole picture.
So, then tell me who you are, Kitten.
I don't make a habit of giving myself to just any playboy. Sorry.
You piqued my interest, Kitten.
Whoa, hey. Where do you think you're going?
Dude, the girl in the cat girl mask.
No way. The only thing up there is my sister's bedroom and an empty guest room. So, unless you're saying you're into my sister.
Whoa, jeez, man. How many times I gotta tell you? Not into your sister.
Hell, even if she was stripping in front of me, dude, I wouldn't feel a thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I will make him beg for me, like a little puppy.
Tell me who you are, Kitten.
I just can't get enough of him.
I gotta do the thing, okay?
Caught you, Kitten.
You didn't recognize me?
Times like
If you think nerdy girls are boring, then you better let me go.
Trust me, you're nothing like that. Now tell me who you are.
Who do you think I am?
Better not run away again.
Why would I want to escape?
Hard just being close to you.
I don't go for nerds. Even if she was stripping in front of me, dude, I wouldn't feel a thing.
So, should we do something more exciting?
What are you thinking?
Nervous?
Not at all.
See if you still say that in a minute. Now, Mark.
You don't even know who I am. Isn't this a little reckless?
I know exactly who you are, kid. You're the girl I can't stop thinking about.
What if I've already forgotten about you? Like Alicia. You know, your buddy's little sister. I heard you poured a drink on her. It's pretty ruthless.
Why does everyone keep bringing her up tonight? Let's not let a nerd like her ruin our fun.
Let me go.
Your body betrays you. Ow. You're not going anywhere, kid. Let's see who you really are.
Shit! Kitten, wait!
Catch you soon enough.
Whoa! Looks like somebody finally had enough of you and taught you a lesson, huh? Jeez, you got like powder on you, bro.
Did you see her? The girl in the cat girl mask?
No. You think that could be her?
It's hard to tell.
God, did he figure me out?
You smell.
I just...
I mean, even if you covered yourself in perfume,
You still smell like a nerd. Nothing but a cheap knockoff.
Cocky prick!
Don't cross that line. I'm not gonna do shit because Carter's here, but next time, I'm gonna make you wish you weren't born.
Wake up, Alicia. He doesn't like you. He never did.
God, I didn't mean to push her.
Attention, guys. Look what I found. A secret diary of a nerd. Julian's sweat smells heavenly. Did you guys hear that? What a freak! I kept his empty water bottle. Can you guys believe that? Collecting his trash? What a psycho. OMG, disgusting. Creep.
Why so desperate? Guilty?
What a loser. Pathetic nerd? You think you're the heroine of some romance story? Oh, this one is golden. Everyone, listen carefully. I'll make him beg for me like a good little puppy. Stop reading it! Pathetic nerd. Now the whole world knows your tragic little secrets.
Alright, that's enough. Where'd you get this?
In the nerd's room, right where she keeps all of her tragic little secrets.
No, Samantha gave that to me as a gift. Everybody has masks like that. It doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, no. Her? That's impossible. I mean, a lot of people have these masks. It's probably just similar.
He's helping me.
Are you defending her? You hate her more than anyone.
Don't get the wrong idea. You actually thought I liked you? Everything you wrote in here makes me sick.
No, that's not. I didn't.
Keep dreaming. You think you're my dream girl? I could never want you.
You're a disgrace. Mom and Dad didn't raise you to be this way. Go to your room.
Will you please just stop?
What the hell is wrong with you? What, you're not gonna defend your sister so you side with her bullies?
This kid.
There's no way. How could she be Kitten? I'm just overthinking this. Why is this nerd everywhere?
Our little bunny looks lonely. Want me to keep her company?
Whatever.
Well,
Confident little Miss Bookworm. What you eating? PB&J. With your figure? Oh, only trash food for a trash girl, I guess.
Got some news about your girl.
Julian, is he coming to help me?
Hey. Don't look at Julian like that. It makes me uncomfortable. You going somewhere? I'm not done playing with you yet. Ugly.
Hey, I asked around, couldn't find the cat girl, but I did find this in the trash at home.
So no trace of her, huh?
Too many people, difficult to track down. And she might not even go to this school.
Well, at least she's not a dream.
You're serious about this one, huh?
Oh, costume party, my place, 3 days. You should spread the word. If she shows up, she's not escaping me.
Hey, when did your parents leave for Europe?
This morning.
Nice. Well, come to my place after the party.
Since you're helping me out so much, I think you should go check out the cafeteria. That nerd, your sister, might be in trouble.
Gotcha, thank you.
Wherever you are, kitten, I'm gonna find you.
What do we do with
Makes it easier to swallow.
What do you want from me?
What do I want from you? You don't know? Oh, you're so filthy. I bet you like it. Hold her still. Come on, open her mouth.
What are you doing?